welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today we're going to make Tinolang Manok, or a Filipino chicken soup dish. These are the ingredients we're going to need. I've already prepared them. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, let's start with getting some oil in our soup pan because we're going to saute up very nicely our onion, our garlic, and our ginger. We want to get these flavors going nicely, okay? Okay guys, as you can see, we sauteed nicely. This is just what we want. We're going to add our chicken to this. As you can see, it's almost there. Let's just get a little more color. It's almost there. Just get a little more color. Okay, guys? As you can see, it's brown to the point where it's not raw. It's closer to the cooking stage. This is what we want, okay? We're going to add our fish sauce to continue to get those flavors coming together. Wonderful. Now you saw me add that wonderful fish sauce, or patis, as we call it in the Philippines, patis, and that is going to give us a nice rich flavor. Let's add our water. All right, wonderful. Bring that all together. We got our water in there. We're going to add our chicken cube in there. Let that dissolve when it comes to a boil. We're going to let this come to a simmer, cook nicely for 20 minutes. Let's cover this while it does that. Get all those flavors together. Okay guys, it's 20 minutes. Our time is up. Look at this. This is looking great. This smells delicious. Oh, the aromas. Now keep in mind, you see a little bit of oil in here. You just skim it. That's the reason why we use skinless chicken. Okay? All you do is skim it a little bit. You just take some of this out. That's the reason why you want to take off your fat mostly, so you don't get it so greasy. We want a soup that's not filled with a lot of chicken fat. All right, that seems to be about right. Okay? All right, now let me tell you something else. This is fine, okay? We get the flavors in there. That's looking good. Traditionally, we use green papaya, but today we're going to use sayote. Okay? Look at this nice sayote. Just get that in there nicely. All right. Get that in there. Okay. Traditionally, we also use hot pepper leaves. Okay? Or in other words, daun ng sili. But today, let me introduce you to collard greens. Another leafy green vegetable. Okay, a good source of iron. We just get that in there nicely. Okay, wow, look at that. Just get that in there. Okay, wonderful. All right, let's just blend this in. Okay, we're going to cook this down for another 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, or until tender. All right. Wow, guys, look at this. 10 minutes has left us, and look at the results. This looks beautiful. Okay, let's give this a taste. Turn my light off and let's get right into it. Oh. This is delicious. Don't need any more salt. I think it's, oh, this is delicious. I taste the ginger, I taste all the flavors coming together. It is delicious. Keep in mind, ginger is very significant. It has a lot of attributes. For example, ginger is good for the digestive system, and it's also been known to be good for flus and colds. All right, guys, let's pour this and serve it up. Wow, look at this rich soup. Tinolang Manok, another Filipino chicken soup dish. Look at this. Let me just serve this up. Wow, look at this. You can see the richness. You got your sayote, nice and tender, not overcooked. You got your wonderful leafy green vegetable. Look at this. This is wonderful. This is what you want. Let's get this in there nicely. You got a wonderful soup. That nice ginger. Look at that. Get that in there. Oh, this is delicious. Smell the aromas. Forgive me, guys. This is a meaty soup. Look at the chunks of that chicken. I'm telling you, this is a hearty soup. Wonderful. Let's get the rest of that in there. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, there you have it. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time.